Everyone. As you think about your week one assignment from issue to persuasion, I want to give an example of what an issue might look like from my own field of medieval English literary studies. I recently gave a paper at the John Gower Society conference. Gower is a contemporary of a slightly more famous author, Geoffrey Chaucer. Chaucer is famous for being known as the father of English poetry, with all of his identified works exclusively written in Middle English. He is considered, then, the epitome of the English canon, along with many other white male authors. You might be familiar with one of the names on that list, a certain Mr. William Shakespeare. Recent conversations in my field have discussed how this idea of the canon can exclude many voices, such as that of women and gender nonconforming persons, people of color, those of other faiths than Christianity, and so on. Gower, who wrote in Latin and French as well as English, has also been less considered. In my paper, I argued that Gower's French ballades, short lyric poems in particular, were important to study alongside Chaucer's poetry as the two writers influenced each other, even across languages, since both poets lived in a multilingual, or as Jonathan Shue calls it, a translingual society. The problem at issue then was whether we should hold Chaucer up as the solitary genius who was elevating the English language to its present status, or as someone who was involved in the cultural milieu of his time, which included engaging with other authors and other languages. I took the second position because the first has been used to exclude many, and that is not a true reflection of what my classrooms, in which many people from different backgrounds who speak many languages are engaging with each other in dialogue with each other, look like. The stakes are very high for me then, since I want my classroom, in person or virtual, to be a welcome space for all.